Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? This time, Vechain price were very badly decreased now, so we will need to predicate this coin. We will need to do a technical analysis, and also, my friend, I will share my opinion. So let's get started a brand video. But please, if you are new my channel, first of all, subscribe this channel, and after that, press the bell icon for videos notification. As you can see, my friend, this time in last 1 hour plus 0.23% the price is increased. So this is really good news. But remember, this is absolutely every coin will moving in this circulation to after a dump they will pump, and after a pump they will dump. So therefore you can see here in last 24 hour minus 5.15% they will lose, but in last 7 days plus 1.4% they will increase now, and also my friend in last 1 hour also. So therefore it's clear, my friend, to this is temporary fails. After that, I hope my friends to Vechain will again pumps up, but there is a lot of, you can see, my friend, chances to they were fails down more, because my friend in the start of month every coin were fails down. So you can see here, my friend, in the start of October you can see they were fails down, but remember to my friend, in after the mid of month every coin will completely go to the moon. So therefore I hope my friends to Vechain will also starting moving upward, and Vechain will give us very good profit. So therefore I am just in only hold now for the end of month, because in last 10 days of every month every coin will moving upward. So therefore that is good, my friends, to you will also hold now to the end of this month. I hope, my friends, Vechain will also give you, my friends, 10% to 15% profit. But if the price will hit now 0.2 USD dollars, so this is really good now, and I hope, my friends, they will easily hit this target. But therefore you will need, my friends, to hold. If you are investing more and more, therefore absolutely this is possible to which and price will get a very good profit and pumps up. So thanks for watching. Please like the video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type prediction, and also, my friends, do a technical analysis videos now. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.